Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Very good, thank you. How are you?
I am great, totally great, thank you. Yeah, so thank you for attending today's training, by the way.
No problem at all. Thank you for booking in the time.
Okay, yeah. By the way, let me just check here. Yeah, Rob, our director of sales, will be joining with us shortly as well. Okay,
No
so
problem at all.
just give me a minute. It looks like you haven't created an account yet, right?
No, I've not created an account yet. I haven't
Mm-hmm.
actually. I don't have the platform, so I'm just going to market at the moment to look for a new video prospecting tool. So this was
Mm-hmm.
mainly market research.
I see. So where did you hear that, by the way?
I was doing research for different video prospecting tools, and it came up
Mm,
on a forum that I read. It was ranked in the top 10.
I see. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, let me just check.
Hey, what's going on, Rena? Hey, Curtis, how you doing?
Hi, Rob.
What's going on?
All good, thank you, sir. How are you?
Good. Where are you located in this gigantic world?
So I'm based in Manchester, in the north of England, if you know it.
Yeah, yeah, I got a few people out there. So what, like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night? It's got to be evening 10, maybe
Yeah,
five.
so it's half five now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, not quite that late just yet, but we're on our way there. It's sun's
Oh.
already set and it's dark outside, but yeah. What about you, Rob? Where are you?
LA, so Santa Clarita, the last ring of Los Angeles, kind of the outer rim, where if you start going out of LA too far, you're not really in LA, so within shouting distance.
Okay, nice. I like it.
Yeah. Well, thanks for making the time, man. Rena's going to be running the demo today.
Cool.
I've got to do a live training in about a half an hour, but I wanted to pop in and just have a quick conversation with you about how did you find Dub? What do you kind of know about us so far, and do you have like a use case in mind?
Okay. Yeah, so I was doing some market research looking for a new video prospecting tool. We are a cybersecurity startup. We are quite a lean team, and we're scaling quickly at the moment. There's about two or three people below me in the sales function, but essentially we are looking for ways to make my time more efficient. So video prospecting is going to be a part of that. Where did I hear for Dub? I was conducting research online. I found a survey which had the top 10 video prospecting tools, and Dub was in that list.
Nice, that's great, that's perfect. What have you done video before, or is this the first time you're kind of going to be doing video?
First time, yeah.
Okay. And then from a audience list, the people you reach out to, are they like C-suite, like who's kind of what's kind of the breakdown of the audience you'd be reaching out to?
Yeah, so two streams. Primarily, we'd always start higher, so we would look at the C-suite. Obviously, being cybersecurity, it'll be either CISOs, CTOs, CIOs.
Okay.
Then below from that would be more day-to-day operational. So that can be anything from an IT manager, infrastructure manager to an analyst, but through both channels, yeah.
Okay. And then do you do any kind of LinkedIn outreach at all?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
Okay. We have a when Rena does the demo, she'll show you particularly with the Chrome extension, it's a screen recorder. And
Okay.
the strategy that we found works pretty good that if you're reaching out to someone on LinkedIn, you're going to be the little bubble on the page and you're kind of right next to that person's profile bubble, which is kind of, creative. Like you're almost right next to them and you're on their profile because the key to the dub videos is when you send out a dub video, it's going to be an animated GIF, a repeating loop of the beginning of the video. So if I start the video and say, "Hey, what's going on? This is Rob, blah, blah, blah," it's going to keep repeating the wave and me smiling and what I'm saying. It's going to keep repeating that over. So what we try to say is when you're making a video, make sure the animated GIF is interesting and it has context. So typically what that would be is if you were using a screen recorder and you're on LinkedIn, you could do a fun little wave to, whoever you're reaching out to right within their own bubble, like, "Hey, what's going on? I want to send you this quick video." And they're going to see you doing that as a little bubble in their world. And then once they start watching the video, Reno will show you. You can do a lot of cool stuff. You can make yourself go full screen. You can use an annotation tool. You can circle stuff, underline, all kinds of neat stuff to make the video interesting. So from a LinkedIn perspective, as long as you're connected with someone, like if you were reaching out to me, you wouldn't send me a dub video with a connection request because it'll only be a link. It won't be that nice animated GIF. Plus, a lot of times, I don't know how much people really watch a video with a connection request. They'll probably connect and then you want to send the message. Because within LinkedIn, once you're connected, you click the message button, you drop the video in there, and they see the GIF. So we find that's much different than a lot of the big copy and paste messaging that happens in LinkedIn, all the time. So in your mind, when you're recording these videos, and Reno will show you the different ways, whether it's webcam, whether it's a screen recorder, whether it's with your mobile app, it's all about the GIF, the first 3 seconds. Like, you smiling, do you have an image behind you, a virtual background that you're pointing to? There's all kinds of cool things that you can do to make it interesting to the person that's receiving it. And from a best practice that we always tell everybody, when you send someone a video, an email, always put the word video in the subject line. It's the first thing someone's going to see. They're going to see video and then, hey, check this out or something. So that's really good. The other side of it is our training. So when you end up going through the demo today, if you end up subscribing or if you want to just get an experience of our training that we do, I'm going to be in there in about a half an hour running it. I do 2 days a week. Darius, our co-founder, he does the other days. But the training is important because we do a half an hour of how to use the platform every day. And that typically does not change. So if we add a feature, we'll change something. But a lot of people come into the training because it's daily, it's a group setting. They can ask questions, you know what I mean? And they keep seeing it. Okay, that's how you do that. You know what I mean? It's the repeating training that you get. So if you end up subscribing, coming into the training would be key. Just as far as learning, some people are, you might be super tech, you know what you're doing. You're like, hey, flying around, no problem. But if you want to ever come in and you have questions or you want to screen share, that's really what the group training is all about that we do every day.
Brilliant. They were really useful tips. But thanks for that, Rob. And thanks for popping on as well. Really appreciate you.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. That's awesome. Well, listen, Rena's going to take you through everything. She's going to show you different ways to record, how to send by email. And then do you have a CRM as well that you use?
Yes, we use Freshworks. It's quite a small CRM, so I'm not sure if there'll be a native integration for it.
Yeah, I'll have Reno check that Flashworks. But if we don't, we just need, I think it's just an email token or something we can get from you and create the integration. But it was really good meeting you, man. Thanks for setting the meeting here today, and look forward to seeing you on the other side if you decide to go forward.
Appreciate it. Thank you, Rob. Great to meet you.
You're very welcome. Rena, all yours.
All right. Thanks, Rob.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, so let's get this started. Okay, so let me just share my screen here. Okay. All right, so since you haven't created an account yet, so actually here in Dub, we do have a lot of options for you to create videos using our platform. Okay, so the first one, which is I'm going to discuss, is through our Dub website. So our Dub website here has a built-in teleprompter that allows you to read from your script while you're recording so that you don't have to memorize what you wanted to say in your video. Okay, so just click record or upload a video camera icon. Once you click that, it routes here wherein you can see at the very top, you see there's a box wherein you can create your own script. So you just need to put the title and then you can write down your script. And if you have other team members, you can also share it with them. And then just click save and close. So once you have your script created, you can see all the scripts here. And if once you wanted to use that script, just click the record button here. And then the script will just autoplay. You can also adjust the speed. You can pause. And you can also adjust the size of the text. And then after that, when you're ready to upload a video, just click the check mark here. And then the video will go to your video library inside your Dub account. Also, for instances that you run out of your idea for the script, you can go back here in your dashboard. We have our own version of ChatGPT, which is AI assistant. So you can look here, for example, you have the task and then select the industry. Then you can write your own topic. if you want to be more specific, and just select how many words. And then when you submit here, the AI will compose a script for you to use. Or either way, you wanna use the script also into your social media posting. Okay. Any questions so far?
No, all good so far. Thank you.
All right. Let me just grab. Yeah, so that's the first one. The second one will be through our Chrome extension. This one here. This is the Dub Chrome extension. So this is one of the options as well wherein you can create or record videos using our platform. So if you have not installed the Chrome extension yet, just go back to your dashboard and then you go to record screen and then just download the Chrome extension. Also, you can download the Dub desktop app. So this is one of the use cases here in using the Dub Chrome extension. So when you click the Dub Chrome extension right at the upper right corner of your next to your extensions here, so you need to look for Dub icon first and then just spin. Once pinned, you'll be able to see it here. And then you just have to log in. So as you can see, you can either record either the full screen or just the current tab. Also, you will see the following functionalities here wherein you have your microphone, you have your webcam. You can also start with a webcam full screen, or if you're camera shy, you can just use your profile image. You have your annotation tool, your control bar, and also you have your script or your teleprompter as well. Okay. So let's say, for example, you wanted to record this specific screen. So you can either do the full screen, click which screen you wanted to share. Okay. So for example, you want to record this specific screen. So you have here, this is your control bar. And then you can see here you have your webcam. You can also adjust the size of your webcam. Also, you have your annotation tool if you want to highlight or if you want to draw something on the screen. You can also put a text if you want, or if you want to use numbering, okay, you can do that. And also, you can do full screen if you want to highlight yourself while speaking. You can pause. And if you're ready to upload, just click the check mark to successfully upload your video. And again, the video will be uploaded here inside your video library. Any questions?
No, all good.
Okay, great. Yeah, so that's the Dub Chrome extension. We also have the Dub desktop app. Again, from your record screen, just download the Dub desktop app. So this is how it look like. The Dub desktop app is more advanced. Okay. So here, as you can see, you can either do record screen or record webcam. So for example, you're doing like a PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides, or you wanna um go to a certain document or PDF file, or you want to go to a certain website, you can use the Dub desktop app for that. So same functionalities with your annotation tool and then your control bar. However, as you can see here in your Dub desktop app, your teleprompter here is movable. You can move it anywhere on the screen. Okay. You can also adjust the size. And also, start recording. Click the red circle, you will hear a sound. And then when you click the check mark here, you can add another clip. And then, or either way, you want to record screen or record webcam. And then when you click on recording here, the two clips will merge together. Okay. And then you can either cut or trim the video. You can generate captions. And then you have option here, either you download the video and then it goes to your computer, or you want to upload the video and then the video will go to your Dub account. Okay, so that's the Dub desktop app. Any questions?
No, still all good there. Thank you.
And also we have the last option here, which is the Dub mobile app. So let me just go here and then let me show you what are the functionalities in using the Dub mobile app. Okay. This is just a short clip from Rob. Let me know if you can hear it.
Hey, Julie, this is another way to make a quick little personal video before it runs into a playlist video. That would be the next video that would play. So if I was sending a video to you and I want to make it personal, I could take the mobile app right here, and I could press the little whiteboard button right at the top right there. And if I press that, I could type your name and say, "Hi, Julie." And then when I start the video that I made for you, I go, "Hey, Julie, this is Rob. Just want to make this quick video for you," and then do that personal invite. And then the next video would play after that. But the animated GIF, they're going to see their name, you smiling, and you can always start a video like that. So that's a way to personalize it if you want to do it that way.
Okay, and also here's a very quick tutorial on how you can use the Dub mobile app.
Hi, welcome to the Dub mobile app tutorial. Dub is the video sales system that allows you to create more connections, conversations, and conversions. Once you install the Dub mobile app, simply create an account or log in. When you land on the app's homepage, you'll notice the data reporting from your Dub account and your video library. The first thing you'll want to do is to record a video. You can record a video in portrait video mode, 9:16 ratio, or in landscape video mode, 16:9 ratio, by simply flipping your phone. If you'd like to record a video with a virtual background, click the virtual background button. Here you can select a virtual background from our library or upload a custom background. Please note that the virtual background works in portrait mode only. One of the most powerful features of the Dub mobile app is the ability to merge multiple video clips into a single produced video. You can add music, text overlay, voiceover, and more as part of the video creation process. To start creating a video, simply push the camera record button. A 3-second timer will initiate and your recording will begin. You can also record videos from the front or back camera by clicking the camera switch button. We encourage you to record your videos with multiple clips so that you can be concise with your storytelling, provide more visuals to your video, and to make the overall recording process more stress-free. You can also take advantage of Dub's teleprompter so you can read from an outline or written script. We recommend this to streamline the communication and recording process to keep your video efficient and on message. And wait, there's more. You can also use the hyperlapse feature to speed up a video clip to make it a much shorter length and more interesting to watch. Please note that the app automatically downloads videos to your phone once you create them in the app as a backup. This allows you to use the Dub mobile app to create dynamic videos for social media or YouTube. If you'd like to shut this feature off, visit the settings section. One of the options as part of creating your video is to upload a video from your phone's library. To do so, click the direct upload button and either import a clip and upload it directly, or import multiple clips and produce it even further by trimming your clips, adding more clips, adding text overlays, or even a voiceover. Once you import one or more clips, you can use the Dub mobile app to add more clips or upload the file directly. Once you preview your video, it's ready to upload to the Dub platform. We recommend adding an intuitive title to stay organized and provide context for your viewers. Once you upload your video to Dub, you will be able to access it via your email, CRM, LinkedIn extensions, the Dub Chrome extension, the mobile app, desktop app, and the website. Now that you've uploaded your video, you're ready to share via your phone. There are a few options for this. The first is to click the copy and paste button on the top navigation. This will allow you to add contacts and personalization text for better tracking and personalization. After you click on the Copy for Email button, simply open your email app and paste the animated GIF and trackable link into the body of the email. The animated GIF is the first 3 seconds of your video. You can also click the paper plane icon for simple social, SMS, chat, and messenger sharing. Additionally, there are more options in the 3-dot menu, such as the browser preview, advanced URL options, and even the ability to get a QR code for your newly generated video landing page. Yes, that's right. When you upload a video to Dub, it automatically creates a video landing page. Visit the website to customize your pages with CTAs, presets, playlists, captions, custom branding, and so much more. To access the Dub mobile app CRM features, simply visit the hamburger menu on the top left. Here you'll notice links to your video library, video replies, tasks, activity reporting, contacts, assets, and support options, of course. In the settings section, you'll see the ability to turn on and off certain notifications that you receive from the activity reporting of your videos. Thanks again for watching this tutorial, and here's to your success using Dub.
All right. Yeah. Do you have any questions about the Dub mobile app?
No questions. It looks good. I like the fact that there's an app available for sure.
Exactly. Yeah, so those are all the ways you can create videos with Dub. Again, your Dub website, your Chrome extension, your mobile app, and your Dub desktop app. Okay, so if you have no questions, then we go ahead on the editing and customizing your videos. Okay, so every time you create videos with Dub, all the videos will be saved here in your video library. Okay, so the next step you need to do, you just need to go to your video library and then choose what video you wanted to share. Okay, either you can go ahead here and then you can do manually, or either you can go to your assets and then go to your calls to actions. So this is where you can create all the calls to actions you need for that specific video. Okay, so let me give you one example here. Okay, so for example, this one, when you click this preview button, it goes to your landing page. So this one is already a customized landing page. So let's say, for example, we're going to create here under your assets and then your calls to actions on the left side. So here you can create your calls to actions depending on what are your goals for that specific video. So here, let me just discuss to you what are the use cases. So we have calendar. Okay, if you are using any of these calendar integration, or we have chat. We also have document if you want to attach a certain file or certain PDF file. Also, we have email if you want them to email you directly. Also have form if you want to create a customized form. Or let's say you already have the form, you can just put a link here. And also you can display message, payments through PayPal, phone number, people can call or text you. Also, we have the website link. You can put any website link here. Also, we have the video reply. So some users use this for case studies and testimonials as well. And we have embed web page, and also we have webinar. And then for the button text, either you want to customize your own or just use whatever you have in your program system. And if you have other team members, you can also share it with them and then just click save and close. So once you have your calls to actions created, the next step you need to do, just go back to your assets and then go to your presets. So this is where you can segment your audience. So for example, let's say you want to create a presets for your hot leads. So you can create here, click the blue plus sign, and then you can put the preset name. Okay. And also, so this is where you can put all the calls to actions you need for that specific video. And your playlist, these are your playlist videos. So this will autoplay after the main video. And also we have here video options. So this is where you can enable or disable the following options here. Okay, it's pretty understandable. And also you can customize the colors depending on your design. We also have the background, so you can search for a certain theme. Okay, let's say for example, Chris. Okay, so we have few backgrounds available. And if you want, you can also upload your own. Just make sure the size is 1280 by 720. And then for the layout, either you choose the centered or the left justified. Okay, so let's say, for example, we're going to go back to that video and then we're going to apply the presets we created. So you will see it here, presets. Click the drop-down menu and then you will see all the presets you created. So let's say, for example, we're going to apply the hot leads preset here. Okay. And then click this preview button for you to be able to see the landing page. So as you can see from this one, from this preset, and then to this hot leads preset here. Any questions so far? Again, your presets are your customized landing page. So you can create multiple presets you want depending on your video. So you can see it here. You may also want to create like a preset that's general that goes to everyone. Whenever you create a video, that will be the um, default preset that will auto apply to all the videos. Any questions?
No, all good for questions. Thanks.
Mhm.
Looks good. Just a quick note. I need to leave in like 5 minutes. I know I'm
Oh,
putting
okay,
you,
I see.
but
Yeah, no worries. So this is actually the last part here. So as you can see, if you are using Gmail or Outlook or any of our CRM that we're integrated, you will see here the dab icon. So once you click that, it goes to your video library. So all you need to do is just grab the video, put the email address of the person for tracking. And also you have here the personalized text. When you insert the video, this is how it look like with animated GIF. When you send it, that person receives your email like this with 3 seconds animated loop. And then once they click the video, it routes them to your landing page wherein they can watch the entire video. They can click any of your emoji reactions button, or watch your playlist and click any of your calls to actions button. Okay, and that's it. Any questions?
no, all good. Honestly, it looks really good. So thanks for the demo. Appreciate it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this will be the pricing plan. Okay, so how many users you think you'll be using the
I'd say 4.
just yourself?
No, 4.
Oh,
4.
4. Yeah, so if you have 4 people who will be using Dub, either you do the monthly or annual basis. So for monthly, we usually give 10% discount each per seat. So instead of paying $59, you're only paying $53. But if you go with annual per plan, instead of paying $49, you'll only be paying $334 because on top of 30% discount here, will give you another 33% discount. Supposedly this is 708, but there's a 30%, 499 plus another 33%. So that's um down to 334 per user. That's already annual. So you'll get more discount if you go with annual. And I think you don't need a Pro Plus because you have your own CRM. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. For Pro Plus user, although it's more advanced because automated workflow is already included here, but this one is like if you're using Gmail or Outlook or SMTP. And yeah, so I think you just need a Pro version here.
Okay, bro. And is that pricing available on the website or?
Yes. Also, right after this call, I'm gonna send you an email and then I'm gonna put all the codes there that you can use.
Okay, brilliant. That'd be really helpful.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Any questions so far?
No, all good, all good. I think I saw everything that I needed there. So if you could just send us over that email with the pricing on, please, and then maybe some of my team might need a additional call with you, but I think we should be okay.
Yeah, sure.
But for
Actually,
now,
the
yeah, if you put the pricing over to us, that'd be great.
uh-huh. Yeah, sure. Let me just check here. Yeah, once you sign up and then once you subscribe, we will be calling you to have another training to optimize your account. So basically we're going to help you in setting up your account like um uploading your logo, your profile picture, your email signature, creating your calls to actions, your presets, everything. And the next thing you need to do is just record a video and then send them. Okay?
Brilliant. And is there a trial available at all, or is it straight into paid payments?
Yeah, the 7-day trial.
Okay.
Actually, right now you have the 7-day trial. After that, it's up to you if you wanna upgrade or let us know if you want another days or you want to extend another days for the trial.
Okay.
Okay.
That's great. Yeah, let me take it offline and I will come back to you. But if you just get that pricing over to me, Rena, that would be very helpful.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah, anything else?
No, that's it. Thanks.
All right, you're welcome, Curtis. Thanks and have a wonderful day.